Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
Good, thanks. What's your name?
I'm John. And you?
I'm Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Spain. And you?
I am from Canada.
Oh, I like Canada.
Have you ever visited Canada?
I've been to Toronto. So, Maria, what do you do?
I'm a blogger. What about you?
I work in IT.
What do you do in IT?
I fix computers. What about your blogging?
I make videos about travel and food. I like sharing stories.
Great. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family. And you?
My family is small. Just my parents and my sister.
I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers.
Do you all live close?
Yes, we live in the same city. It's nice. What about your sister?
She goes to college in another city. We miss her.
I understand. Family is important.
Yes, Maria. Are you married or single?
I'm single. And you?
I'm single too. Do you have children?
No, no children. Do you?
No children for me either. Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment. And you?
I live in a small house. Do you like your apartment?
Yes, it's cozy and near the park. Is your house big?
Not big, but it has a garden. I like gardening.
That's nice.
I live with my dog, Max. Do you have pets?
No pets. I travel too much. Do you work near your home?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk. And you, is your work far?
I work from home, blogging. So, no commute for me.
That's convenient. Working from home sounds nice. Maria, what do you think is your best quality?
I think I'm very patient. And you?
I'm good at listening to others. What about a quality you want to improve?
I trust people very quickly. How about you?
I take decisions very quickly.
It's good to work on ourselves.
True. It's good to know our strengths and what we can improve.
Right. Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
Do you like to read?
Yes, reading is fun. I learn a lot. You?
I love reading too. Books are great friends.
What's your view on learning languages?
It's important. It helps us understand each other better.
True. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. How about you?
Me too. I want to see different places.
Where did you go last?
I visited the mountains. It was beautiful. And you?
I went to the beach. Very relaxing.
Mountains or beach, which is better?
Hard to choose. Both are nice. Hard to choose. Both are nice. Morning is my favorite. And you?
I'm a night owl. I like the quiet night. Do you like to plan things?
Yes, I plan my day every morning. It helps me. Do you plan?
Not really. I like surprises and doing things when I feel like it.
Interesting. Are you outgoing or shy?
I'm a bit shy with new people, but I get comfortable later. And you?
I'm outgoing. I like meeting new people.
That's nice. Do you like the city or countryside more?
Countryside for me. It's peaceful. And you, John?
I like the city. It's lively and full of things to do. Do you prefer home cooking or eating out?
Home cooking. It's healthier and fun. Do you cook, John?
Sometimes, but I enjoy eating out too. It's a way to try new dishes.
Great. Do you think technology is making life better?
Yes, but we need to use it wisely. Too much screen time is not good. And you?
Technology helps us a lot, especially in learning. but balance is key.
Do you think playing sports is important, Maria?
Yes, it's good for health and fun too.
I agree. Sports keep us active.
Do you like online shopping or shopping in stores better?
I like shopping in stores. I can see and choose better. What about you?
Online for me. It's convenient.
All right, how do you feel about spending time alone?
I enjoy it. It's nice to have quiet time. Do you like being alone sometimes?
Yes, it helps me think and relax. What's your view on watching TV?
A little is okay, but not too much. Better to do other things. And you?
Same here. Do you think eating healthy is easy?
Not always easy, but very important. We should try. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, it's good for chatting. My number is 123-456-7890. Can I have your number?
Sure, it's 987-654-3210. It's a good way to keep in touch.
Agreed. I'll send you a message there.
Looking forward to it. It's a good way to keep in touch. It's important to have friends to talk to.
Yes, it is. Thank you for sharing your contacts, Maria.
Thank you too, John.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.